Interview preparation step by step. Laravel 10 interview questions and answers. Top 30 commonly asked questions and answers. Question 1. What is Laravel? Answer. Laravel is a PHP framework for web apps with elegant syntax, MVC structure, and built-in tools for routing, authentication, and more. Question 2. What is new in Laravel 10? Answer. Laravel 10 features include native type declarations for skeletons, enhanced process helpers, and improved test coverage. Question 3. What is MVC in Laravel? Answer. MVC, Model View Controller, is an architectural pattern used in Laravel to separate business logic, UI, and control flow. Question 4. What are service providers in Laravel? Answer. Service providers are the central place for app bootstrapping, binding services into the service container. Question 5. Explain Eloquent ORM in Laravel. Answer. Eloquent ORM is Laravel's object relational mapper that simplifies database operations by working with models. Question 6. What is a middleware in Laravel? Answer. Middleware acts as a bridge between a request and response, used for tasks like authentication and logging. Question 7. What is CSRF protection in Laravel? Answer. CSRF, cross-site request forgery, protection is implemented in Laravel using tokens to verify form submissions. Question 8. How does Laravel handle file uploads? Answer. Laravel provides the "storage" facade and helper methods for storing, retrieving, and managing uploaded files. Question 9. What are Laravel migrations? Answer. Migrations are version control for databases, allowing schema changes to be defined in code and executed. Question 10. What is a seeder in Laravel? Answer. A seeder is used to populate the database with test or default data during development. Question 11. What are events in Laravel? Answer. Events are a way to implement the observer pattern, allowing you to listen and respond to events in the app. Question 12. Explain Laravel queues. Answer. Queues handle time-consuming tasks asynchronously, improving app performance and scalability. Question 13. What is the purpose of artisan commands? Answer. Artisan commands automate tasks like migrations, queue management, and code generation in Laravel. Question 14. How does Blade templating work? Answer. Blade is Laravel's lightweight templating engine that allows PHP code and Vue components to be written cleanly. Question 15. What is the use of Laravel Sanctum? Answer. Sanctum provides simple API token authentication for spas, mobile apps, and token-based APIs. Question 16. What is the purpose of root model binding? Answer. Root model binding automatically resolves root parameters to Eloquent models, reducing boilerplate code. Question 17. How to manage database transactions in Laravel? Answer. Use the "-db" transaction method to ensure multiple operations are executed as a single unit of work. Question 18. What is a repository pattern in Laravel? Answer. The repository pattern abstracts data access logic, providing a cleaner way to interact with models. Question 19. How do you debug in Laravel? Answer. Use Laravel debug bar, "-dd", or "-dump", functions, and logs generated by the monologue library. Question 20. How does Laravel implement caching? Answer. Laravel supports caching via drivers like file, database, and Redis, configured in the /config/cache.php file. Question 21. What is Laravel Mix? Answer. Laravel Mix is a tool for managing front-end assets using a clean, fluent API on top of Webpack. Question 22. How to create a custom helper in Laravel? Answer. Create a PHP file, define the helper function, and include it in Composer, JSON for autoloading. Question 23. What are Laravel policies? Answer. Policies encapsulate authorization logic for models, making it easy to manage user permissions. Question 24. What is the purpose of the .env file in Laravel? Answer. The .env file stores environment variables for configuration, such as database credentials and API keys. Question 25. How do you send emails in Laravel? Answer. Use the mail facade and mailable classes to send emails via services like SMTP, Mailgun, or SendGrid. Question 26. What is the purpose of jobs in Laravel? Answer. Jobs represent units of work, which can be queued and executed asynchronously to improve app performance. Question 27. How does Laravel handle localization? Answer. Laravel uses language files in the resources lang directory to manage translations for multilingual apps. Question 28. What is the purpose of observers in Laravel? Answer. Observers allow you to listen to Eloquent model events like creating, updating, or deleting records. Question 29. How do you schedule tasks in Laravel? Answer. Use the task scheduling feature via the schedule method in the app console kernel class. Question 30. How to secure a Laravel application? Answer. Secure with CSRF tokens, input validation, hashed passwords, rate limiting, and using HTTPS for communication. Thank you for watching our video on Laravel 10 interview questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.